Welcome to Understanding Muscle Growth Part 2. Today, let's explore the role of satellite cells in the muscle growth process in detail. Satellite cells are specialized stem cells located on the surface of muscle fibers beneath the outer membrane, which is known as the sarcolemma. Stem cells are basically the cells that have the potential to develop into many other types of cells in multicellular organisms. Alright, satellite cells remain dormant under normal conditions but become activated in response to stimuli such as muscle injury or mechanical stress induced by exercise. Let's move on to discuss their working mechanism. 1. Activation and proliferation. When our muscles experience mechanical stress, such as during resistance training, satellite cells are stimulated to activate and proliferate or multiply. This activation is triggered by signaling molecules released within the muscle tissue in response to exercise-induced stress. Once activated, satellite cells undergo rapid proliferation or multiplication, increasing their numbers at the site of muscle damage or stress. 2. Differentiation and fusion. Following proliferation, satellite cells undergo a process known as differentiation, where they specialize into myoblasts. What are myoblasts? Well, these are the precursor cells committed to forming muscle tissue. These myoblasts then fuse with existing muscle fibers or with each other to repair damaged muscle tissue or contribute to the formation of new muscle fibers. This fusion process results in the enlargement and strengthening of the muscle fibers, a key aspect of muscle growth. 3. Contribution to muscle repair and regeneration. Satellite cells play a crucial role in muscle repair and regeneration following exercise-induced damage. By replenishing damaged muscle fibers with new nuclei and proteins, satellite cells facilitate the restoration of muscle structure and function. Additionally, satellite cells contribute to the maintenance of muscle mass and integrity during periods of increased physical activity or injury. 4. Regulation by growth factors and signaling pathways. The activation and function of satellite cells are regulated by various growth factors and signaling pathways within the muscle tissue. For example, growth factors such as insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, and hepatocyte growth factor, HGF, promote satellite cell activation and proliferation, while myostatin, a negative regulator of muscle growth, inhibits their activity. Signaling pathways such as the Notch and WNT pathways also play important roles in satellite cell function and muscle regeneration. If you want to know what is Notch and WNT pathway, then please comment below to let me know about it and I shall make a separate video on it. Now, let's move ahead. 2.5. Role in hypertrophy and adaptation. Satellite cells contribute to muscle hypertrophy, the enlargement of muscle fibers, by providing additional nuclei and cellular machinery necessary for protein synthesis and muscle repair. Through their involvement in muscle repair and regeneration, satellite cells also contribute to the adaptive response of muscles to exercise training, allowing for greater strength, endurance, and resilience over time. In summary, satellite cells are essential players in the muscle growth process, contributing to muscle repair, regeneration, and adaptation in response to exercise-induced stress. Their ability to activate, proliferate, differentiate, and fuse with existing muscle fibers enables the enlargement and strengthening of muscle tissue, ultimately leading to improved muscle function and performance. Understanding the role of satellite cells in muscle growth provides valuable insights into the mechanisms underlying exercise-induced hypertrophy and highlights their importance in optimizing training strategies for muscle development. To know more about satellite cells' role in hypertrophy and adaptation, check out my videos on that topic too. You can also check out other amazing informative videos like this in my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. For now, thanks for watching.